we shopping for? All this stuff. This isn't Daiso, but it's close. This is also 100 yen. Hi.
Meep.
Yeah, meep. All kinds of stuff. Like, you can even get cellophane and hooks and scissors and some of the best knives ever. I love this store. All these dollar stores are fabulous. Look, make your own bread. Yeah, pretty awesome. So first we've got all the snacks.
Do you guys do this kind of thing in the States too? Like you're just going to pour
No.
the water or milk and make it?
No, we don't have things like this. Like this flan and puddings and stuff. No, if you want this stuff, you have to go to a grocery store. You don't get it at a dollar store.
Ah. Yeah, you can even make a yogurt.
Like, and all of the bath stuff, towels, fishing tackle and sport equipment. Bath stuff. Bath balls. I love this store, oh my god. Look, fishing pole. Is it a back scratcher? Massage?
Yeah, massage you.
I'd break that thing.
It's just a first scratch.
We have this.
A fly fishing pole? I don't even know how to fly fish. You'll have to talk to your grandpa about that.
This is called magonote in Japanese, and magonote means grandchild's hand. Because all the people can reach their back and asking grandchildren to splatting. So
It's
this
true.
is grandchildren's hand.
That's funny. We just call it a back scratcher.
Also,
Grandchildren's hand.
That's awesome. That's a grandchild's hand right there.
Massage is like that.
Put that back, please.
How about that?
Not right now. Go. I told you I don't know how to do that. Looks like an egg.
Yeah, and strawberry. And how to do it? Like just do it.
Beat yourself with a strawberry.
The massage
I
here.
love this store. This is awesome. Towels. It's just awesome. So, and then, like, it's not weird. It's just a different thought. All this stuff, like, and they have gardening stuff and trash bins and plastic bins, and we've got cleaning supplies and cooking supplies and Alana. Like paper cups and plastic cups and the cutest little tins for making cupcakes and stuff. Yeah. Silicone. Yeah. Can't get those in the States for $1. So.
Bottle opener.
Dude!
Bottle opener.
Egg slicers. And like my friend Kaylee said, some of the best knives you'll ever get, you can get here at Daiso. They're super sharp. Graters. Little mandolin slicers. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I want to live in Daiso. Oh, look, a child. Can I buy that? Hey, Minion. Minion. I love you. I love you. Real quality dishes. Yeah. There are some things that are more than 100 yen and they'll be marked as such, but like see, this is 210. So this is $2, but still. It's awesome. Yeah, and she's gone. Now we're gonna go to the dentist because Alana needs her teeth cleaned.
And also I have a mail for Grandma.
Mail for Grandma! Okay, so we need to hit the warp speed button.
Yeah.
Ready? Girly moment. So, went to the post office the other day and picked up some boxes that came for Ayako and myself. And Some of you on my friends list, if you were female, you got an invitation by me to a Jamboree party, which is these nail wrap things. And I didn't think I was gonna like them as much as I ended up liking them. But anyway, so they arrived today. After we have done the rest of the stuff for today, Ayako and I decided to be really girly this.
Hi.
Really girly this evening. So Ayako got a couple things, and I got a few things, and Alana got one. So let's look at Alana's nail. So there they are, cute little clouds and rainbows and
Unicorns.
music notes. There's purple unicorns on there, and really cute for a little kid. But would you stop wiggling?
My hands are wiggling.
Yeah, you're wiggling them. So cute for a kid, but not for me. Mine, however,
Looks pretty.
is that, which anybody who knows me knows I love anything holographic and sparkly. So yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Let's look at Yako's nails.
Ayako's doing her toenails with these really adorable little watermelon ones. They got a green rind and pink flesh and little seeds, and they're super cute. She's not done yet, but I wanted to show you my holographics because that's really cool. I got a bunch of other ones. A lot of French tips. I'm a big fan of French tips.
You should look at Yako's fingernails.
Did she do her fingernails?
Yes.
Thought she did her toenails.
Yeah.
See, she's not done yet. But anyway, so that's really awesome. I like them a lot. I'm gonna flash them every chance I get. Like shiny. Okay. See you later.
Bye.
Check this out. So there's clear sky over there.
Plenty of clear sky that way.
And lots of clear sky that way. But we are actually having a thunderstorm, a no-lie thunderstorm.
And it's at the mountain.
Yeah, the mountain finally let one past.
Yeah.
Days after our hurricane. Quote.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You mean that weather hurricane?
Hurricane.
And it
I heard it rained harder before the.
It did. It rained really hard before the hurricane was even supposed to get here.
3 or 4 days before the hurricane, it was like.
Oh, it's humid out here though. Oh, my feet feel weird. Hi guys. So we're trying to decide what to eat when we discovered that the rain was here.
Apparently, John doesn't like Indian curry.
No, John does not like Indian curry. Extreme close-up. Whoa. So we haven't got to sit and storm watch for a while, so that's what we're doing. Woo! Oh, it's a flash! Oh my gosh, lightning! I missed that.
dragonfly.
Yeah, the dragonfly is probably really upset right now. Well, that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna sit and enjoy it.
Thunderstorms, lightning is really rare except for this